Did you know you can experience the best of London in just 72 hours? From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, this city has something for everyone, no matter how little time you have. In this video, we'll show you the ultimate 3-day itinerary to make the most of your trip to London. Before we jump into the adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest travel tips and guides. Let's explore London together. Day 1. Classic London landmarks and history. Kickstart your London adventure with the city's most iconic landmarks, steeped in royal history and stunning architecture. 10. Buckingham Palace and changing of the guard. Your first stop on Day 1 is the majestic Buckingham Palace. Located at the heart of London, this is the official residence of the British monarch. Arrive early to witness the famous changing of the guard ceremony, which takes place at 11 o'clock a.m. daily. The guards march in synchrony to a musical tune, offering a perfect photo opportunity and an authentic British experience. The ceremony is free to watch and typically lasts about 45 minutes. 9. St. James's Park. After the changing of the guard, take a short stroll through St. James's Park. This royal park offers beautiful, tranquil views of Buckingham Palace and the nearby lake. It's the ideal place to relax, enjoy the nature, and maybe even spot some wildlife, such as pelicans and squirrels. A leisurely walk here will also give you a break before diving into more exploration. 8. Westminster Abbey. Next, head to Westminster Abbey, one of the most famous churches in the world. This Gothic masterpiece has been the site of numerous royal weddings and coronations, including that of Queen Elizabeth II. The Abbey is home to the tombs of British monarchs, poets, and historical figures, such as Sir Isaac Newton and Charles Darwin. Take a guided tour to learn more about its history and the role it has played in shaping Britain's past. 7. Big Ben and Houses of Parliament. From Westminster Abbey, take a short walk to the Houses of Parliament. Home to the UK's government, this grand building is an architectural wonder, showcasing a mix of Gothic and Victorian styles. The Houses of Parliament have been the seat of the British government for over 1,000 years. Don't forget to snap a photo with Big Ben, the clock tower that is one of the most iconic landmarks in London. Big Ben, officially known as the Elizabeth Tower, stands as a symbol of London itself. Whether you visit during the day or at night, when it's beautifully illuminated, Big Ben offers an unforgettable sight. You can take a guided tour inside the Houses of Parliament to learn about British politics and the history behind the structure. But be sure to check the schedule, as the Parliament is often in session. 6. London Eye. After visiting Parliament, head over to the nearby London Eye. This giant Ferris wheel, standing at 135 meters, offers stunning panoramic views of London's skyline. Opened in 2000 to mark the new millennium, the London Eye has become one of the city's most popular attractions. A ride takes around 30 minutes, and from the top, you'll get a chance to see major landmarks from above, including St. Paul's Cathedral, the Shard, and even the distant outskirts of the city. If you're lucky with the weather, you can enjoy clear views that stretch for miles. It's a fantastic way to get a bird's-eye view of the capital, and if you're feeling indulgent, opt for the champagne experience, where you can sip bubbly as you take in the sights. Day 2. Dive into culture, museums, and hidden gems. Now that you've seen some of the most iconic sites, Day 2 will focus on London's rich cultural offerings and its diverse neighborhoods. 5. The British Museum. Start your day with a visit to the British Museum. With over 8 million works, the museum spans human history and culture from ancient civilizations to modern times. You'll find world-renowned pieces like the Rosetta Stone, Egyptian mummies, and the Elgin marbles. This museum is one of the largest and most comprehensive in the world, offering a wealth of knowledge about the civilizations that have shaped human history. Best of all, the British Museum is free to enter, but if you want a deeper understanding, consider booking a guided tour or downloading the museum's app for an audio guide. You could easily spend several hours exploring, but if you're pressed for time, focus on highlights like the ancient Egypt, Greek, and Roman sections. 4. Covent Garden. From the British Museum, Make your way to Covent Garden, one of London's most charming districts. Known for its boutiques, street performances, and lively atmosphere, Covent Garden is perfect for shopping and exploring. It's an area brimming with history and culture. Once home to the Royal Opera House, it still holds performances there. And if you're a fan of theater, check out what's on and grab tickets for an evening performance. While you're there, stroll through the cobbled streets, peruse the vibrant market stalls, and visit the many cafes and eateries offering everything from street food to fine dining. Day 3. Exploring local markets, neighborhoods, and hidden gems. On your final day, you'll venture into some of London's diverse neighborhoods and markets to experience a different side of the city. 3. Borough Market. Start your day with a visit to Borough Market, located near London Bridge. One of the oldest food markets in the city, Borough Market is a haven for food lovers. Whether you're craving gourmet cheese, fresh pastries, or international street food, you'll find it here. Borough Market is renowned for its artisan food stalls, where you can sample everything from British cheeses to French pastries. It's a fantastic spot for breakfast or brunch, and the vibrant atmosphere makes it a great way to start your last day in London. 2. Tower of London and Tower Bridge. After filling up at Borough Market, head towards the Tower of London, an historic fortress that has served as a royal palace, prison, and treasury. The Tower of London houses the crown jewels, which are on display for visitors to admire. The medieval White Tower, with its imposing architecture, is one of the oldest parts of the complex. After exploring the tower, take a stroll across the iconic Tower Bridge, one of London's most recognizable structures. Built in the 19th century, Tower Bridge is a marvel of Victorian engineering. You can visit the Tower Bridge exhibition, where you'll learn about its history and see the inner workings of this incredible structure. If you're feeling adventurous, take a walk along the glass walkway, where you can see the Thames River flowing beneath you. 1. Brick Lane and Spitalfields. For a taste of East London, head to Brick Lane, known for its vibrant street art, vintage shops, and world-famous curry houses. This multicultural area is a hub for creativity and innovation, with quirky boutiques and eclectic art galleries scattered throughout. Take some time to explore this neighborhood and appreciate its fusion of old and new. If you're into street photography, you'll find plenty of murals and hidden gems. Nearby, Spitalfields Market is a must-see for shoppers looking for unique items, from antiques to handmade jewelry. Whether you're hunting for vintage clothing, a handmade piece of jewelry, or a delicious lunch, Brick Lane and Spitalfields provide an authentic London experience with a modern twist. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.